Betsy, and today we have a fun video for you. It is one of our Disney unboxing, and this is the Magic Candle Company. Now, I pay for these myself, and I pay for 3 months at a time because it saves a little bit of money, but they're normally $24.99 a month. And the products that come in here are the same every month. It is just a different scent. And I really enjoy it because if you're missing your favorite place on earth, which I know I am, and Disney is my favorite place on earth, this definitely gives you a reminder of the sense of that area. And it's either a ride or a resort, so it's really neat. Last month was Japan, which it really smelled like the Epcot Japan Pavilion. And before that, we had the orange swirl, so it was the citrus swirl. It smells so good. So I'm excited to see what's in this month. And I do love the packaging. As you can see, it says Magic Candle Company on it, and it looks like a little suitcase. So, as I said, the products are always the same. It's the scent that's different. So let's go ahead and open it up. So the first thing you get in here is a car air freshener, which the scent this month is Beach Resort. Let's go ahead and open up the candle because that will tell me what it smells like. Oh, that does smell like the Yacht and Beach Club. They changed the name because Disney stuff is copyrighted, but that does smell like it. And one thing I do love about their candles is, as you can see, it has a wooden wick. So when you light that, it has that crackly fire sound, which is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to use that. So you get a candle, a car air freshener, some of the wax melts. So these will work with your Scentsy or any of your other burners. I have a ton of Scentsy's, but you can use whatever. And then last but not least is a room spray. I have to check and see because that's not wanting to spray. Ah, there we go. The stopper was locked in place. Smells so good. But yeah, I'm super excited for this month's box. I'm excited for this beach club scent. I can't wait to get more resorts and more rides with it. So remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Sometimes I miss, but I try to stay true to it. But I guess that's it, so we shall see y'all on Friday. Bye.